Now I want to show you how to install Kali from the ISO file. The first step is the same, downloading the installation file. Here, the ISO file. Open the browser and simply Google the words Kali and download. The first website is the official site of Kali, so click on it. This is the download page of Kali, and these are the ISO files. You can use them to install Kali as a main host or as a virtual machine in any virtualization platform. Now, there are 64-bit and 32-bit versions, as well as new image styles of Kali Linux, Installer, Live, and Net Installer. At the bottom of the Kali image files table, there are ready-to-use, well, almost ready-to-use Kali virtual machines. So if you do want to use Kali as a virtual machine, you can use them instead of installing ISO files from scratch. So I'd like to download and install the ISO file of the 64-bit installer image of Kali. So I'll just click on this link to download the ISO file via the protocol that we affectionately know as HTTP. And now we can save the file and have a look at that.